This is Broly! And this is Riding Insane, and we're just out here having a great time. Hardest part of this bike is the kickstand. Ooh, the fan stays on or what? Does it cool itself down even after the bike's shut? I did not know that. Learned something new today about this bike. First day. To be honest, it really hasn't hit me yet that I'm driving Broly around. Alright, so the road that we're gonna go on is that road. I just wanted to make sure no construction or any of that stuff, so we can now go. My goal was to put some serious miles on here, but it's gonna rain. So what we're gonna do is just ride around for a little while longer, and then I'll have to put the bike up. Safe and sound, you put little Broly to sleep. Cause he's a little baby. So usually I hold this button down, but is it push to start where I just... No, you gotta hold it. This bike, not gonna lie, it feels so light. It feels super duper light for the bump. Hi-cha, hi-cha, hoo-cha. Now we're back on the road. You guys will see me look down a lot. It's just I'm checking RPMs. I think the most we ever rode was 7,000, so I'm gonna keep it below 7,000. I don't know what that means, but I'm just saying it because it makes me sound cool, like I'm a mechanic or something. I'm not. I'm just a douchebag on a bike, on a boik. Plus, we're not going fast. I just gotta make sure I keep switching gears and things like that. That's one of the best things about having auto blippers and quick shifters. It just makes the ride so much more fun. So much more fun. I'm gonna go all the way in the back. So I can play around with the revs. So being in the front, you always have to have people lurking behind you. Right now there's nobody behind us. And don't worry, we'll get a rear camera, all that stuff fitted. I just don't want to have that stuff right now because there's, hypothetically speaking, we're not going to be climbing on this bike, so there's no need to look at what's happening behind us now, do we? So I'm taking my favorite roads because I know them, I feel safe with them, and we're just going to play around and see how everything goes. Tonight, all of this is going to be foggy with clouds, and it's going to be raining like hell. Oh, there's nobody behind us, man. This is amazing. So if you guys remember when I did the video with Nimbus, we still had fun with other supercars, we still made sex tapes and things like that, but we ended up waiting until the rev limiter was off, and then I can start to go all the way. On Nimbus, you couldn't go past, I believe, like 6,500 or 7,000 RPM. There was a rev limiter, so as soon as I go, it would stop me, and you would just hear like it can't go past that. And I love that, but on here, I can actually go past 6,000, even 7,000. I'm not going to show you because, man, and that's why I don't want to be around supercars right now, because even though I want to stay below 7,000, I can still pass it if I want to. There's no rev limiter on here, so we got to be careful. But this bike sounds amazing. Broly, so loud, man, so loud. Be prepared to stop my butt. I'm not stopping for anybody. Oh man, we got cars coming in the back. So flickable, man. It's so light. Can't get over it. But it still hasn't hit me, man. But like, I don't know, I can't tell you how many hours I spent with a chair in the garage just staring at Broly in the hyperbolic time chamber. Just sitting there and soaking it in butt naked and just looking at Broly. By the way, this is the road where I got a tire punctured on Nimbus. But only positive and good thoughts. But I really want to pull over and look at stuff, but there's so much gravel here. Me scared of gravel, cause I'm a baby. God, that is so cringe when I do stuff like that. See, right now I would have cruise control on, but wait, you shouldn't even have cruise control on because the bike's being broken into. The bike's engine is being broken into. The bike's engine is being broke into. The bike's engine is getting braked in. There you go. I think that's better. Like a lot of people on sports bikes have courage to go there. I don't. Even though you can take some epic pictures, I don't. I apologize, but I don't have that. I don't have that in me. Too scared of gravel. I've had too many bad experiences with gravel. But we're not talking about that today now, are we? Today we're out here enjoying this beautiful ride. First ride on Broly, the legendary Super Saiyan. And we're gonna have a build series starting for Broly as well, called the Legendary Build Series, where Broly, she's already a Super Saiyan. Come on, look at her. But we need to make her into the legendary Super Saiyan. And through this build series, we'll be making Broly legendary. I already shot it because we already have 2 mods already on the bike. And don't worry, the mirrors coming in the way. We're going to be removing the mirrors off of this bike. This bike does not deserve mirrors. These mirrors are really good though. I don't know why everybody complains. It doesn't matter how wide of a body you have or shoulders. All you gotta do is just tuck in and look, and you can see everything. If I can see through these mirrors, then other people can too. So I don't know why people biatch about it all the time. We got a truck coming up on us, so we're gonna let that hoe go. Once it gets a little closer, then we'll let him go. But see, that's why I like this road, because it's perfect to get broken into. Or doing just solid riding and no traffic lights. I feel like this road, they did something to it. It's even better. Did they trim the trees? What did they do? This road is even better than before. Or maybe it's just because of Broly. She's just, I'm telling you, man, she's flickable like anything. Like, it's crazy. I don't know what they did, but they did something to this road. It looks completely different. I don't even mind, man. We're breaking the engine in, so I don't even mind. Go as slow as you like, man. Go as slow as you like. Oh, it does have a back throat! Ah. Ooh, now that felt good. That felt good. When I first saw, I was reading the manual is thick as hell. I'm gonna show you guys. It's a fat manual. It's thick, man. But I'm gonna show it to you guys. When I was reading it and I was reading the break-in procedures and stuff like that, when I saw 6,000, I first thought that was gonna be like way down there. Like, am I even gonna be able to hit like 70, 80 or something? But it's actually not that bad. It has a lot of stuff. You can do some good amount of acceleration until you hit like 6,000. So it's not that bad. Like, it might look slow on video, but it's actually a lot of fun. And it's not as bad as you would think it is. So I'm gonna hit that road a couple times, and then we'll call it a day. Because there's the clouds and stuff like that. I gotta be careful, because once again, you don't want to get caught in the rain. None of my gear, like my camera and stuff like that, is prepared for rain or water or any of that stuff. So I gotta be careful. Please turn left. Please? No? Alright, we're gonna be behind a Prius. No worries. This is the best way I can put miles on the bike and have fun at the same time while staying below 6,000 RPM. On the streets, going through traffic lights day in, day out, it's just not going to be as much fun. So we're going to continue hitting this road a couple times. Sit back, enjoy the video. I'm going to share a lot of raw clips. So, thank you so much. This is Broly! And this is Riding Insane, and we're just out here having a great time. Having a great time. Because I'm still learning the bike as well. I gotta be careful. The only thing is that this has crazy acceleration. Oh, by the way, forgot to mention, currently, as you can read on the screen, this bike is in street mode, alright? Street mode, alright? Engine level is at low, not medium, not high, but at low. But yeah, so we're on street level, or street mode. So there's street, there's sport, and then there's race, I believe. Blah, 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 blah. On street mode, the engine level is set to medium. I put it down to low. Because once again, the bike is plenty fast, and I don't wanna make myself be tempted to go up and, you know, speed, accelerate, do all that sorts of stuff. And even if we see like a biker or a supercar or a hypercar, our goal is to stay away from all those places, because I've been riding for a while these streets, so I know where exactly and when exactly all the cars are to be found, or higher chances to be found. We're just gonna have a lot of fun. Broly smells so good. She smells so good. I gotta get used to saying Broly's a girl, because, you know, in reality, Broly's not a girl. He's a very masculine Saiyan. But I gotta get used to calling her a girl, because I'm not riding a guy, man. If you roll that way, man, power to you, but I don't roll that way. It is getting kind of cold, because I can feel it on my gloves. The wind is getting cold. You can tell it even smells like rain. The clouds might not look like it because I do color correction, but still, man. The quick shifter is buttery smooth, except for one, it lags one time. So either from first to second or second to third, it'll lag. But besides that, then it's super duper smooth. A lot better than Nimbus, I can tell you that much. Nimbus is, auto blip or quick shifter is perfect now. But when I was breaking it in, it was a biatch to break in, man. Straight up, biatch. So I still haven't decided what we're going to be doing with Broly, what are we going to be doing with Nimbus, and what are we going to be doing with Kakarot. Whether they're going to be street bikes, track bikes, I haven't decided any of that. Those are the only two options. I do need one bike to become track bike, and I'm thinking, I'm not sure yet, but Nimbus might be the bike that'll go track, full track. So flickable, man. This road is so nice. Ah, so nice. So as you guys can see, we're breaking in Broly kind of differently than we did Nimbus. Nimbus I did more on the streets, like city traffic, things like that. Broly, we're gonna be hitting this road a lot. Not the highway, because I'm gonna max out at 6th gear and on the highway very easily. But over here on these streets, on this long road with no traffic lights and all that stuff, we won't have all those issues. Oh, the back throat. The back throat. The back throat. Oh, the back throat.
I wanna